watching YouTube. What's going on, all my Riker riders out there? Everybody riding on 3, rolling on 3, whatever you want to call it. Really quick video. I just want to plug the event coming up in Las Vegas. It's going to be the weekend of the 23rd of this month, and we're going to be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I will get there Friday for the first cruise. We're going to do a cruise on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The cruises include the Hoover Dam, Valley of Fire, and Red Rock Canyon. Of course, we're going to cruise the Las Vegas Strip on the weekend. It's going to be absolutely bananas. A lot of groups are showing up. First of all, Rolling on 3 from Houston, big up to my boy Orlando, is going to be showing up with his crew. It's going to be bananas. Then we got Three Wheel Invasion, Phoenix, and SoCal. We're going to have riders from Las Vegas meet us over there. So it's going to be Las Vegas, Phoenix, Houston, and California, Northern and Southern California. It's going to be absolutely insane. So it's the weekend of the 23rd. If you want information, there's my Instagram. You can message me there. I'm actually in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm taking my Riker on a trailer. So if anyone's interested in going and you want to take your Riker with me, to the event, just send me a message on Instagram and we'll collaborate and we'll make that happen. So the 23rd is going to be absolutely bananas. I'm going to get the Riker all cleaned up and ready to go for the cruise. It's going to be insane. It's going to be hot. I'm not going to lie. It's going to be hot in Vegas. But we're going to make it work. Suntan lotion, sleeveless shirts. I don't know what I'm going to wear, but it's going to be bananas. So a lot of people showing up, and also in the background, as you can see there's a Pro Comp wheel that's going to go on my F-150. I just had to clean him up. Riker right now is at a friend's house where I'm staying at. The garage is being renovated, so I'm keeping it at her house in her backyard right now, and the wheels are also here at her house. But we're gonna get this rocking and rolling. It's gonna be absolutely bananas. Hopefully the RWO guys would show up. I'm not sure if they had plans to. Riker World Order. I'll put a link to their YouTube channel, and I'll put a link to the Rolling on 3 out of Houston. Not the rolling with the G, my boy Keith, but the roll in with the N, just the N. Those are the boys from Houston. My boy Orlando's out there. And big ups, of course, Three Wheel Invasion, SoCal, Chris, and Arizona RYDERS, Tim. So we're going to collaborate with everybody. We're going to meet up in Vegas. It's going to be absolutely bananas. So quick look at the Riker right now with the carbon fiber. Had it for a while, took off the orange. That's basically it. I haven't really done anything. The mirrors are still there. They're still working good. Got the helmet lock. This is pretty cool. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in Vegas. It's going to be absolutely bananas. You do not want to miss this. This is going to be big. We got to show the Philly boys and the Riker boys how we do it out here. So it's going to be nice. Peace out to all my Philly and Riker. Philly, Chicago, New York. You already know. We're all family. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in Vegas.